X-T100 from Fuji. It's a really fun camera.
Hey, I'm photographer David Flores. Today I'm hanging out with my pals from B&H, and we've got the brand new, super small, super capable Fuji X-T100. Let's take it around the city, see what it's all about. Oh, that's pretty. This is that art mode. That's pretty cool looking. The dial on top lets me cycle through the film simulations. Fuji's film simulations really some of the best color in the business. You can do everything from classic chrome to Velvia, Provia. There's monochrome black and white. Let's do some Velvia in here. Sweet. I'm gonna shoot a slower exposure in the space, and hopefully we'll get some motion blur on the folks that are moving through the space. If you shot film back in the day, Velvia is this great, rich slide film. Colors, super punchy, very, very saturated. So I think that'll be a lot of fun, particularly like with little pops of color in the clothes of folks that are moving down here. So the newly developed LCD, it tilts a lot of different ways. If you're in portrait mode, this is so nice. You can actually use the touchscreen to choose your autofocus point. I think that's awesome. So tap wherever you want to focus. Or if you wanted to, you can also tap to shoot, which is terrific. That should be a little bit more spontaneous, use the larger finder. Now, if for whatever reason you don't want to use the touchscreen, that's cool. Just tap it off. Terrific. And now you're back to buttons and dials. There's nothing wrong with that. We're out here on the water. It's a pretty contrasty situation, which can be a lot of fun for a portrait. Got a nice portrait lens on here, and we're gonna get going. Fuji's been using articulating LCD screens for a long time, but they've always been very photocentric. But now, here on the X-T100, you can flip it out just like this. Instant vlog-tastic camera. How you doing back there, Jake?
Doing great.
Great.
Doing great.
Yeah, I think one of the challenges of Fujifilm cameras is they haven't traditionally been video-centric. Now on the X-T100, we have this flip-out screen so I can actually see what I'm doing. So if you're a vlogger, or if you need to make a video selfie for whatever reason, you can do that quickly and easily just by flipping the camera out. Wait, is that a camera crew? What? Hi, Jake.
Hi. Hello. Let's go camera. Bye.
So it's almost like a, whoa. Can I do pinch to zoom? Yeah, I can.
Oh, that's interesting.
It's a very,
Wow.
kind of bold.
It's like it removes all the shadows.
But all these things are internal. Like I don't have any control. I can't change the aperture. I can't change the shutter speed.
That's
but
dope.
I'm telling you, like the only thing I'm thinking about is, does he look? Is the pose right? Is the composition right?
Right,
That's
yeah.
all I've got. It sounds weird, but like so much of the time, like the problem with photography is the camera. Like it's in the way of you and the way you're experiencing.
Dave's having fun.
I'm having a lot of fun.
It's a fun camera.
I had a great time shooting today with the Fuji X-T100. We made a variety of different pictures today, from portraits to cityscapes, environment shots, details. It's a great camera to carry with you because it's so light and it's incredibly capable. Image quality and photo looks fantastic, and there's plenty of video features if you're a budding filmmaker or a vlogger. I loved being able to change the film simulations with this top dial. You can preview multiple simulations in real time to make your choice up front on how you want the final image to look. I also love the way you could cycle through your autofocus modes. Just tap the AF button, turn the command dial, and you're moving from single point to zone to all your AF points. And that's what Fuji's known for, tactile controls that are logical and easy to use. Redesigned LCD screen. Finally, something that's video-centric from Fuji. If you're shooting something from below or above, it's easy to tilt the screen in a way that's more ergonomic, more comfortable, more easy to use. All this in a camera that's incredibly lightweight. It's so capable, so fun to use. I had a great time shooting today with the Fuji X-T100. For more on the Fuji X-T100, photography and all things imaging, visit B&H. I'm photographer David Flores. See you next time. I'm such a good director. Open the umbrella. Yeah. Open the umbrella, man.